Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing your funds from Fusion Markets, one of the most popular low-cost Forex brokers out there. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future Forex trading tips. Let's dive in. If you don't have a world's best Fusion Market Forex account, I previously showed you how to create a new account in a video. Also, since you may fall for scam links and lose your money when creating an account, you can use the real link I have put in the description to create an account. After that, I will be able to solve the problems you encounter even during deposits and withdrawals. First, you click Payment. Now click Withdraw. Now you select the account where your money is. You can withdraw using other methods like credit card, PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, and Crypto. Now select which account you want to withdraw from, then click Continue. Here you can see the withdrawal method and withdrawal fee and the number of days you will receive the withdrawal. I select Crypto as the withdraw method. Now click Continue. Now you need to provide the withdrawal details. Select the crypto coin and network you want to withdraw from and click Continue. Now you need to provide the wallet address you want to withdraw from. When you get the wallet address, you need to get the address that matches the crypto coin and network you selected earlier. After that, you need to accept the terms and conditions here. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Now you need to provide the amount you want to withdraw and click Continue. Now you can check all the details you have provided and confirm whether all these are correct. Now click Got it. Now you have received an email. If the details are correct, check this and click Confirm Withdrawal. Now you will receive a message like this. Now you have successfully sent a withdrawal request. The Fusion Market Finance team will grant your withdrawal within 48 hours. You can see your withdrawal request in the withdrawal history here. To track your withdrawal status, go back to the transaction history section. If there's any issue with your request, Fusion Markets will notify you via email. You can also reach out to their support team if you experience any delays. And that's it. Withdrawing your funds from Fusion Markets is simple and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Also, let me know what other Forex-related topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!